Today is an important day. The first setup to feature the new Fassi F245AZ crane leaves the workshop of the Fassi dealer importer in Holland in Velsen Noord, the company De Jong & Mouden. This first F245AZ, including a Marrel hooklift AL26-S, has been sold and mounted by De Jong's dealer Van der Hoos Hydraulics. The operator, Joey Splinter, is already on board the vehicle and does not want to waste any time. Life is not always as predictable as geometry, but for Joey Splinter, geometry is important. And it is for this reason that he chose the new Fassi F245 crane from the Z range, an important guarantee for his work. Here we are not just talking about theory, but about practically putting the crane in the at-rest position and transporting it on the vehicle with the clamshell bucket with open shells still attached. And if practicality makes work easier, comfort is also a plus that Joey Splinter appreciates a lot. He is a meticulous and precise type and always wants to keep an eye on the whole process. But the high-sided body does not make life easy. The raised third command post allows Joey Splinter to work with a comfortable and complete view without compromise. Everything is there within reach of the remote control, in a space that guarantees maximum freedom during the operational phase, in compact dimensions functional to transport needs. The load is ready, and Joey Splinter has finished the job. He will arrive at the construction site early and is very happy. He loves to amaze people and knows that all this is possible thanks to the F245AZ crane.